it's Cheryl here today. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul. I know it's been a little while since I've been back on. I took a couple of weeks off, did some stuff in the garden that I didn't show you. But today I have a Dollar Tree haul. So let's see what I got. I got a few Christmas things, but also picked up some food. So let's get the food stuff out the way first. I usually try to remember to get these Italian style breadcrumbs. This is a good price for $1, and this is 13 ounces. So got that. And then I picked up this Hunt's tomato ketchup. This one is looks like 20 ounces. So I thought that was a good deal for $1. And I know I got some more food in here somewhere, y'all. Oh yeah. Normally when I go, if I see this coffee, I pick it up. So this trip I picked up 2. To get more before they stop selling it. It's actually an espresso, but we use it as coffee. And this is a Puerto Rican coffee company in Hoboken, New Jersey. Okay, what else? I'm not show you the Christmas stuff yet. I know I got some more food around here. Okay, you know I had to get my artificial sweetener. I know it's not good for you, but we use this Sweet Mates. So I got 2 boxes of that. Now wait, I did get 3 of the coffees. So there we go. I think I see maybe one more food item somewhere in here. Wait a minute, y'all. Got all these bags. And I think I got one cleaning soap type product. Yeah, I had ran out of this kosher salt. I like this. 16 ounces, that's good for $1. Although I'm looking at it, looks like it's not completely full. Okay, and this last thing I'll show you before we get into the Christmas. This is, they call it a bonus trial size, so you can't use a coupon, but it's the Arm & Hammer Essentials Ultra Replenishing Body Wash. And this is 12 fluid ounce, and that's good for $1. Okay, so let's get into a couple things that I picked up for Christmas. Well, some of it's Christmas, and wait, I got one more thing. Toothbrush. This one is buy 2, you get 1 free. That's pretty good. Alright, I think that's it as far as that. But I thought this would be a good stocking stuffer for my grandson. It's a Copper Fit face protector for youths. And this was only $1, y'all. Can you believe that? So I picked that up. This is not really Christmas, but it could be. But I saw this and I thought, look, somebody decided to do something every time I try to do a video, y'all. But look at the colors on it. I like that. Not sure what I'll put in it. And then they had these basket bags, and they're 2 pieces, and they're red. So I'm gonna use that for a little gift. And I think I only got 1 of these, but I thought, isn't that cute? They had two sizes that I can recall. Yeah, but you know, you could put your little treats in there for a friend gift, little friend mail. And I might do a video on my Christmas decorations. I'm not sure yet. I might at least show you. I think I did record the tree. May show you that. Picked up these 12 candy canes. And this is just natural peppermint, and they're good until August 2022. But they won't last that long around here. If I put them on my tree, they'll be gone. And then I got to put in my candy bag these Starlight Mints. This quite a bit in here. These are good. We got 2 dates on there. One says July 2021 and one says July 2023. So I guess that means it's best if you open it by, wait a minute. July 21 is already gone. Anyway, oh, we still gonna eat these. I put them in my candy dish at work. And then I picked up this little small bag of Hershey Kisses. And I saw this cup. I thought it was cute. Stocking stuffer. Grandson. It has a little straw. And you see? And it's got a cute snowman with a wagon on here. See that? I thought that was cute. And I don't think it says PBA free, hand wash only, so we'll have to remember not to put this in the dishwasher. Okay, I saw this bag, gift bag. I didn't need any, but I saw that was cute. And it is double-sided. Yep, double-sided. And it's got the penguin on the other one. It's 2 bags. And they have this, I can't describe it, but it's like a really soft type material with the glitter. So I may do a DIY with that. It even has the little tag to match. So that would be a good thing for me to decoupage on one of those Dollar Tree canvases that I always do. Let's see. Okay, this might be it, y'all, because, like I said, it's not going to be long, and, but I wanted to share what I picked up anyway before I put it away. Now, these are the Now and Later apple candy canes. I don't think I bought these before, but that looks like that might be good. Remember the Now and Laters used to get when you were younger? Back in the day, like in the 60s, 70s, and they pull your teeth out because they were so hard. Okay, now this could be a little gift, and it says to and from up there, and it's a little holiday mug, and it says known for the holidays. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see, let's take it out the box, because I'm going to end up putting some candy in there with and wrap around with one of those red bags, I think. Yeah. So it says known for the holidays. It goes all the way around except for where you put your hand. And it's not that great a quality. It's actual Royal Norfolk. It says dishwasher microwave safe. So there you go. I thought that was cute. They had some other ones, but every time I go to Dollar Tree, I get rushed. Is that a good thing? Because if I could spend the time I want in there, I'd probably come out with $100 worth of stuff. But I try to buy stuff that I know I'm going to give away or use, and not something that's just going to set up and take up real estate in my closet. Okay, now I bought 2 of these. This is the old-fashioned peppermint bark. Now, I don't think I tried this one before, but I even tried the Palmer's. I don't care much for the Palmer's chocolate, but the peppermint bark is delicious, so I'm hoping this is good too. But I just recently tried peppermint bark a couple years ago. I love it, love it, love it, because I love peppermint. And then this got a little damage on the side, but I'm going to eat this. This is the Junior Mints Peppermint Crunch. Guys, if you see this at the Dollar Tree, pick it up. This is so good. But that's only if you like peppermint, which I do. And then the last thing, I think this is the last thing I got. Yeah. Now, I picked these up, so that means I'm going to have to pick up a couple gift cards. I picked up one for everybody in my household, and this one just says, just for you at Christmas because you're special, because you're fun. And then inside it has a spot, and it says, because you're a teeny bit hard to shop for, and then it says place money or gift card here. So that's probably what I'll do. Okay, so that was one. This other one, they all have red envelopes. They say the gift you give says a lot about you. This one says, I had no idea what to get you. Let's see, isn't that cute? And then this one, a little magic in every snowflake. A lot of wishes in this gift for you. Season's greetings. And that was that one. And the last one, I got this one from my grandson. It says, experts agree that choosing Christmas gifts for really cool people should be left to the experts. That would be you. Merry Christmas. So that way I'll give him a little something, and he can go buy something that he might want. Now, the thing is, I got to put these somewhere where I won't forget where they are. I do it all the time. I still got a Halloween card that I was supposed to give my grandson probably about 3 years ago. So I know how I won't forget. I'm going to put these in my underwear drawer, because that means I got to change my drawers. So I'll see these every time I change my drawers, y'all. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I did enjoy shopping for this stuff, and I'm sure before it's all over with, I'll be back at the Dollar Tree. And I'm probably going to try to stock up on stuff that I know that's worth a dollar, not worth a dollar, but valued at more than $1 before it goes to $1.25. So far, my store hasn't changed, but I did read that all the stores will be changing at least by April 2022. And even $1.25, a lot of the stuff it's a fantastic deal. So if you knew, and if you are, I don't know where you've been, but if you knew to go into the Dollar Tree, there's all kinds of things that cost a lot more in places like Walmart that you can get for $1. And even, like I said, $1.25 is not going to make that much of a difference. Instead of you being able to get 5 things, you'll get 4 now. Okay, guys, I'll be back. Like I said, I'm going to try to show y'all maybe some of my Christmas decorations. And maybe I'm doing I think I might do a DIY. I'm crafting some gift tags. I'm going to show you guys some of them I made. Now, y'all going to have to let me know if y'all want me to show you how I make them. But the best thing about it, you can make them sitting in your recliner. At least I can. Okay, to the next one. Talk to you on the next